Hello and welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. It's Friday food review time, and today, due to it being late and it being cold and maybe very, very hungry, I'm going to take an easy option and I'm going to go to Costa. It's also half-term week as well, so it's a lot busier than normal and everywhere's full. Don't forget, must be train of thought then, isn't it? So don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter, which you can get at visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter. I know exactly what I'm going to have, so we'll go and see how long it takes me to queue, shall we? Yeah, so it's half-term week. There's loads of folk about. It's really quite busy in Blackpool today. And we're off to Costa. It's quite cool actually. It's a lot cooler than I thought it was. And I don't think I've ever actually been in here. It's quite a nice shop, this one. So we're gonna go and see what they've got. I know what I'm going to have. I've already made my mind up before I actually got in the shop. So I'm going to have, oh, now then, shall I have hog roast? That's oak smoked cheddar, spiced apple glaze and sage, and oh, that sounds like indigestion, that. Or shall I have a ham and cheese toastie? Or shall I have the smoky bacon? Oh, butter. I don't want butter. I'll have that. I'm going to have that one. And I might even have a cake, because I'm rather hungry today. Nice shop, isn't it? Very nice shop. Ooh, they look nice. You'll have to see what I pick. Well, that took some doing. It'll be a miracle if this cheese toastie is not clock cold. I've been stood there ages watching him making drinks. So I have a cheese toastie, which I have to say does look very nice. I have a mince pie. And I have a banquet of hot chocolate. It's now, I'm not going to want any tea, it's now 1:45. I mean, I normally have my dinner at 12 o'clock. Oh, honestly. So I videoed it, I'll drop that in right here, and then you can see the close-up of what I'm about to scoff. It's still warm. That's nice. So there's ham and cheese inside the sandwich. Which I have to say is crunkled up a bit because it's been stood there while we were waiting to get down the queue. It's not cold, but it's definitely tepid. It's packed in here. And I've got a lovely window seat overlooking the Blackpool Tower. This is nice. So, that little banquet. The hot chocolate's in here. Fancy cut because they've run out of glasses. That little banquet came to £12.70. That's really nice, that. I like their sandwiches. I think I need my teeth sharpening. It's fascinating sitting here. There's just everybody walking past. I'm gonna be like that. I'm gonna be like one of them little nodding dogs by the time I come out. Very interesting. Blackpool's #1 panto on the bus stop opposite, which is Cinderella at the Grand. And I've got my tickets ready. Looking forward to that. I'll hardly be having any tea when I get home, in my defence. And frankly, today's just one of them days where I thought, sod it. I'm having what I want for once, instead of thinking, can't have this, can't have that, can't have that. So I am going to sin today. Father, forgive me, for I have sinned. Coffee shop coffee's too strong for me. I'll come back to you in a minute when I've eaten this. Oh, very nice. I'll have a look for a recycled napkin out of my bag. So I wouldn't normally come in a chain shop because I like to champion our independent businesses, because things like Costa and Starbucks and whatnot, they go without explanation, don't they? But like I said, I'd been stood chatting to somebody outside, and time's marching on. I've been to all the cafes in this area. I went to another one and it was packed, and it's half-term week, so I thought, we'll go to Costa. Now, I'm going to have an all butter mince pie. So the ham and cheese toastie was £5.20. The hot chocolate was £4.60. And the mince pie, £2.90. So that came to £12.70. And there's the receipt, look. There you go. Very nice. I don't mind paying it if it's nice. It's when you pay money, you're hungry, you want some nice food, and it's not much cost. So this is an all butter mince pie. Now, in the interest of being a little bit more ladylike, I've cut it up so that I don't crumble it all over the table. And it is crumbly as well, though. Can you see? It's all full of fruit and butter pastry. That's nice. They've got two different mince pies. There's one on top in a little plastic bag. And they were about the same calories. So I thought I'll have the fresh one. You see? Focus. It's really fresh. There's loads of mince meat. You can taste the buttery pastry. It's very nice. It's very interesting sitting here. Very interesting. I could sit here all day. Fascinating. I don't know about you, but I love people watching. I could just sit on the bench with a cup of tea and just watch people pass. It's very interesting. Very interesting. That's lovely. Last little bit going down the hatch. There's a girl outside and she's got trousers on and a string camisole vest. Goodness me, she must be frozen. I'm just starting to warm up. Lovely. And I didn't know. Good idea, actually. There's a toilet code on the bottom of the receipt so that you can get into the toilets when you've paid and you're a customer. Stop people coming in from just shopping. Could get bathed in this, couldn't I? It's very nice. That might keep me going for the rest of the afternoon. I'll finish my chocolate now. That's better. That's better now. I've had something to eat. It must be about 2:15 now, which is extremely late for me. So what did we think to Costa then? Costa in Blackpool. Well, I've got to say, it's the first time I've been in there, interestingly. I mean, obviously I've been in loads of Costas loads of times, but I've never been in that one before. So the food was lovely, really enjoyed it, despite the fact that the sandwich had been sort of stood on the counter for well over 5 minutes looking at me. The sandwich was really tasty. It was still warm enough to eat. I wouldn't have really wanted it any hotter than that, so that was fine. The mince pie was beautiful. The hot chocolate was lovely. If I were going to complain about anything, I'd complain about the usual, well, the usual coffee shop thing, where you kind of stand there for 2.5 hours waiting for your drink to be made because they're so slow. The lad making the drinks was, well, it was like watching poetry in motion. So what would I give that? I didn't think it was a bad price actually, given the fact that I'd had a great big drink, I'd had a sandwich, and I'd had a pudding. So I didn't think it was bad on price. The food were lovely. If I were going to criticise anything, I'd say the speed with which it was presented to me was the slight sort of sticking point. So I think I would give that a 9. I think if you went in on a day that it wasn't half term and it wasn't quite as busy, it would have improved the performance considerably. But nonetheless, that was lovely, and I feel much better now I've had some food. So until next time, we will see you again. So don't forget, make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you've hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter at visitfyldecoast.info/newsletter. And until next time, I'll see you again. Bye for now.